Let's get meaty.
Ain't nothing changed. I'm still rocking on the shows and I'm the same old man. Like Lady, where'd you get all of them bees?
Jwale se batla o tobetse no ke tlo wala ile ntse mo tshwere nteng ke go ayo YouTube se kana tsuza ayo YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got your girl. Why isn't it a chick so you introduce
It's a girl, Lily. Obviously, guys. How can I have Instagram? I can have Facebook. It's TikTok. It's Lily.
It's not on Facebook. Really met Facebook, guys. Let me follow it. Let me follow on Facebook. Instagram alone. Which one alone?
I can have guys. Sharp.
How about you?
Nix. I got the nix. Sharp.
Okay, guys. Additional fund go tlo re ita batho ne. Ke tse e filo na batla ke rite batho. Nna ke tlo re tisa bashimana ke tse
banyana. Yeah, go tisa banyana.
O ne mfano yo ska itse bona. Okay guys, are pele re let's ka senyana lo ha re ska senyana nako. Ke slubu ga tore, let's get into it. Boo. Okay, nna go shebele ke batse ba ek ba nahana. Re ne re etse ntho. Re ska tsa. Re ska tlisa.
I can say batho ba second.
But I could have deleted Instagram. I get in with the first. Hey guys, si rantse re emetse Instagram yetse ke mbotse potsonyana ka yena. Guys, bona le batho wa tsana ba thitseng jaka. Tsena le commentela e la reng. E subscribe tse wena fela tlamile go tlise back. Ke yona o teng. Tlamile le get membership guys search.
Yeah, but I can do membership guys.
Membership begin. Membership begin. Tlamile re tse makbeng. Guys, I know it's even a remetsi slong ntse re metsi la lenyetse. O na le Insta phone. Wena. Le ding ke na slojo. Ke take cut. O bona na mfahla le.
Yeah.
Ke ka re tse ba Facebook pele. Ke to re tisa. Batho ne ke shock ba ke ba qoqo.
Yeah.
Arisha.
Right. Tsetsa
bona men. Guys, let's go nkwatelane la tsiba ke game manchaga.
Yeah.
Ke game. Ibla na sel game ke tsiba game king. Mara ke game. Okay. The later one. Later one ne.
Lucky to one eskolwa.
Re ke share.
Go waqala ka mthong ukusomnana luna.
Pina mfaka. Out of 10.
Hey, pina. I'm for 5.
5.
Yeah. Like for real 5.
My bad.
At least how to. At least.
Ka bo batla re shebe ngwe pick.
Yeah. Maybe here we least thinking. Like about. It's a game for 5. Apo ke iPhone, a re tse 5.
Yo, what are you?
Camera. A re tse mara 5. 5 internet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ona play ona go mputsa ka go butsa thulo na tla butsa morao. Go butsa thulo na ka mlwana kwana ka morao. Wa fa pena 5.
Yeah. 5. Like yam channel. Yeah. 5 yam channel. But then it's sharp. Like I want, but it's sharp. 5 is sharp. At least it's in 2 cup of 4. It's in below 5. Below 5, it's like so at least.
Babu ane.
At least. Like when need. I don't make it. What need it there? Opinion ya ka isenya batho ba bang. If batho ba mmona le 9, go bona. Ba tlo bona afahlu 5 internet. Internet.
Nka gona le bifil pina pina. Wa go bitsa mthena o na bifilena.
I cannot be feeling just that sharp. It's valid.
It's ka tshisa ka mashala morena. Wa bedi ke yone. Ke ka morao kweng.
Bona motho tsana mus. Batsana mus.
Batsana ka?
Yeah. Like, come on. A 4. 4 or 5, yeah. 4.5. Yeah. Right? Sharp. Maybe it's because like umponsa batho ba me, I don't know. Ba kileng ka ba bona kasi but then kim 4.5. It's valid. 4.5.
Sharp, no sharp.
It's sharp. Hi sharp. Okay, askis kim 5 yeah.
Sharp, go sharp.
6 yeah. What the game permis?
Permise. Na ke go permise.
What's happening? Like it's because ka ba tseba, ne. La mo tsadi ne pata ke ba bona like in real life. So I know
deserve guy.
I know who deserve guy because kimona hi mona na. So camera
Wala ba bua ne.
So
maybe I see na bua.
Kenna. Me. Yeah. Me.
Ko tsa ko ne Instagram it's slow.
Because wow, because I know them. No, I don't know. I get to be bad. That's the thing. I get to my bit of bona. I get to my bit about to add Facebook because I can have Facebook, guys. Like, let's TikTok. It's. Not to catch anyone who ipona
Kena batho such am do one ngwana ne bona na batho ba qoqo
yeah ne
what looking at Facebook
kana ya ka mo khotsa bona jalo ha ke sa bona
wa sa bona o tsebe phone o ba the friends kana go na iPhone 16
mo ke ka hai zaki okay let me see let me see kapaki network kapaki mbatho nako pa let's get on kwatela guys it is what it is like okay go wins yeah
Kimani
some girl
Mkhotolis
yeah Mreite
Mpenza piki maybe SAB ke profile this screenshot
let me see kishabe engwe tsana bra
manang na mauti mana give me rate 7 ke honest na
yeah it's a good thing
she visa ka camera ena
it's a good thing 7 yeah
nna ke tse 7
nna ke ba rate banana bro
wena o sheba
ai nanga mo fa ka tlasa 5 no offense
wena
oh
le 3 wa deserve straight
3
guys
but
why are you guys blind
that's how I feel
let me see
yeah nna ke tse 7
Yeah.
mo motho nga go batla lona ngwane mo
opinion na a batla I say phone your opinion ya luna I don't know like I could say about as I said guys but then yeah because it's a scroll.
Search and pull up. Nago, Leah. You don't go from what to search. Search a dano, madano, original dano.
Kima.
Mara sentoka sentsikinitsi.
Wa morei. Ga zango fika Thakane.
Thakane mfiki.
Thakane no. Kapuitseng.
No wa morei.
No wa ka ke ditntsekinitsi ba. Ke batla re itisa betleng.
Ke tla batho sa batsebeng. Yeah, because like what I got about it's like jale se ke bua fela. Me bona. Right.
Danone that's why ke tshela none ke hobane ke a choose.
Yeah,
Let's choose.
Oh, ba se 7. Until sharp. Omote.
Go for 7 yeah. Have honesty guys.
Ke honesty. Oh, na 80 he. Oh, no go bontsha. Obo. 80.
Seketla reng? A ke go kwena. It's kwena mo.
Wena reng?
A ke rete banana.
Okay.
A ke rete banana ke batla bashanyana.
O go se tshitsa bento. Mashimana betleng.
Yeah.
Okay, what's re ke tsero?
Yeah. Bonze.
Shaba AP mo.
No, I'm just being honest. I won't lie.
Evus.
I'm motla if I read him an 8, can rate an 8.
Rate the AP job mo.
AP. I'm saying.
I'm read.
Okay, it's what about that? Come on. It's fucking cold.
How's the man?
Yeah, like.
AP job now. AP job.
But picking. Aqui no Zoom. Tá, o Zoom é muito claro como man. I think a solid 6. Yeah, solid 6, 7. No, 6.5.
6.5.
Yeah, that's valid. 6.5.
Okay.
Yeah. Shout out to you. 6.5.
Shout out to you.
Yeah.
Shout out to Nto, shout out to AP, shout out to AP.
Yeah.
Shout out to you. The follow AP guys, we'll let the 60k followers in China.
All the
60k followers.
I will.
Yeah, push content creator.
Wow.
Ba ke tsa drum roll ka po eng?
Pam pam pam. Okay.
You already know that three.
Oh shit.
That's it. Hey,
shit. Because I got money in real life, ne? It's not like I read that out of like picture and stuff, but like money. I'll give him like an 8.5. Yeah, it's valid. 8.5. I think. Okay, one. Can I tell her?
The profile money.
Yeah, but then it's valid. 8.5. About close to 9. Oh, yeah, close to 9. Lape smell size is smart. So that's why maybe it can't be too low because smile. Right?
Smile a lot. Like take your lot. That's it, take your lot. Pa.
Yeah.
Like so with a relationship you was in. Relationship ke be heta mang haholo. Ke ma heta nyemo. Wo heta bana ba.
To be honest, guys. ra tshwana like bang hera ke ba hera like ke ntho like balance ga balansa bang hera ke ba hera ke ntho jalo nna motho ang hera pele ke mo hera ka mogao ene ke mkusa bohloko lo feta like why
ha ona hanele
Maybe.
dignity no what's like into jang it's like because ku kona lo ena ne and then ka o rata o bo kusa bohloko so ke jang ke pole like ke pole
revenge ka tsela jwa ma
ke pole
o etsa revenge ka tsela jwa
hantle
ba o le ya Daud
nah as maybe if ke gets a revenge ka mogotsi wa hae ka motho a tlosile
mo khutsi ya tlo le ya Daud
no he won't because
Why sa botsa ba cameraman tsa rona?
but then
revenge ke batho mpe o etsa revenge jwa
I get ka mogotsi wa hae straight like yeah but then he won't if very I feel like okay maybe connection ka la it's
strong wrong.
it la be le mhlange yeah but then sing immediately sekilo because kids are revenge then sekilo no I don't do that I don't do that
Emo wa mo qetela ka setting ya ka.
na I told you I get me batho
wa rita pele go tseba ma
Ka setting ya ka.
o she was sleep wa
for nna setting la ka
Let's get meaty.
Ain't nothing changed. I'm still rocking on the shows and I'm the same old man. Like Lady Wait, you get all of them beats they bang. This is music, I'm the dealer and my whole shit Spain. Lately I've been feeling like I'm Zushi Cole.